and this is the Telaria Sting R. In China, it's known as the Telaria 8.0. We're going to go over the differences. Before we get started, I'm going to let you guys know, yes, just from the appearance, you guys already know these bikes have been modded, but I'm actually going to be comparing the specs of the two bikes in its stock form. So don't let the appearance fool you. So let's start off with the battery. Sur-Ron's newest battery is 60 volt, 38 amp hours, whereas the Telaria 8.0's is 45 amp hours. Significantly bigger, and that will offer you significantly more range. Going into the motor power, we have 6,000 watts of peak motor power on the Sur-Ron, whereas the Telaria Sting R will give you 8,000 watts. The next difference is, with the motor being offered more power, you'll also reach a speed of 75 kilometers an hour on the Sur-Ron, whereas on the Telaria Sting R, you'll get 85 kilometers an hour. The brake calipers are actually also 200 millimeters on the Sur-Ron and 220 on the Telaria Sting R. Now, currently in China, this bike is registrable in no places, basically. You were able to register it as an e-bike. Now, depending on your country, the regulations are different. But for the Telaria Sting R, you can actually install this. You can install a motorcycle license plate on this bike as well. The next is a huge, huge difference and something that a lot of people might care about, and that's the gearbox or the powertrain system. The Telaria Sting R uses a gearbox, so that's going to significantly reduce the amount of noise. Compared to the Sur-Ron, which uses a belt to a chain drive, it's significantly louder. The next difference is weight. For people that care about weight, yes, the Telaria Sting R is definitely heavier. You're looking at 10 kilograms heavier on the Telaria Sting R. So, yeah. And now let's talk about the display. With the Sur-Ron, you get that really